Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with an update on the 2020 February New Year's challenge for the Altered fan. And I have two entries so far, which is Jacqueline Haley and Karen Billinger. And it was all done by Shaz, who is Crafted Seasons, I believe. If I can find the link, I will link it down below. And this all started with her. And I was chosen this month to do the challenge, come up with something for them to alter that they don't have to mail in and things like that. Okay, so these are the two that have done VR so far on their Altered Fan projects. And I want to thank them. And I hope to see many more to come. And please do like, share, and leave a comment down below. And also, remember, be kind to each other. And happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. See you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.